Hey guys, in this video we are going to be doing a nice little springy makeup tutorial. We have kind of like a light, soft, pinky slash, it's like a pinky, lilac-y kind of vibe going on all over the face. Nice, soft, wearable color for spring, which you know is always the theme of my videos lately is wearable color. But no, this look is super easy to do, was super quick, and minus all the technical difficulties I have. I apologize in advance if you guys can notice anything funky happening with the colors. I had to switch lenses halfway through the video because the other one was just like crazy, so hopefully it didn't look too bad in the beginning. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and let's just hop on into it. I am actually going to start with skin today because the eye look isn't going to be too crazy. So I am going to be using the Smashbox Studios Skin foundation, and I'm just going to add a touch of the NYX foundation mixer just to make it a little bit darker for me. And I'm just going to be applying this with a beauty blender. As always, it is my tool of choice. And we are faking the tan today, so I'm going to drag it down. Since I'm doing a bit of a softer look today, I'm trying to keep the skin a little bit more natural, so I'm kind of cool with my freckles popping out and stuff like that. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Since I'm doing my face first, I'm going to just use my concealer to prime my eyelids. Although I am going to bring it down a little bit right here because I have a dark spot that's driving me crazy. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is the Set and Smooth version of this powder. I'm using this instead of my usual Charlotte Tilbury powder because this leaves my skin just a little bit more dewy than the Charlotte Tilbury powder. So since I'm going for a little bit more of a natural look today, I don't want to be too matte. And then as always, taking my Hourglass loose powder. This is just my favorite powder for my skin. I'm going to be grabbing my Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. And I know everybody raves about this bronzer, to be honest with you. I don't really like it that much. I use it because I have it and it's a lot of bronzer and it's a lot of money to not be using it. But I find that it looks better when I'm more fair. And it does an okay job of just adding some shape to the face, but it's very like, I don't know, I just don't love it. And since that's essentially non-existent, I'm going to be taking my MAC Gimme Some bronzer, and I'm kind of just going to be blending out the Marc Jacobs bronzer with this bronzer, just to add just a little bit more life to my face. If you see some hair color, because I just got my hair done today, so. Just to add a little glow to my face, I'm going to take the Hourglass Luminous Light. What is this stuff called? Ambient lighting powder. I take this like freaking everywhere, like, come on. This just adds like a soft, subtle glow. Ooh. Ooh, aggressive. So as always, I'm going to take Poof from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Dark Magic palette. This is just, I love this for setting down the eyelid really good. So since we got that base going on the face, we'll come back and do more color on the face later. I'm just going to do my eyes now. So I'm actually just going to take the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer again, and I'm just using this to build up a little shape in the crease here. We are going to be using another Kathleen Lights and ColourPop pigment. This one is in the Scales, which I didn't even realize that it was this one until just now. And I am a Libra, so I have not used this particular color yet, so we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna spray my brush with the Morphe setting spray. And you definitely need to wet this color. And I'm bringing it up into the crease. If you guys have been watching my videos, the past couple of videos, I've been really into that, like, just blown out color, bringing the shimmer all the way up, and just having it be one color, which I know doesn't make for an exciting tutorial, But it looks so good and soft, and it's so easy. I'm gonna try to do a nice, hefty layer and pack it on a little bit more. Oh no, here's where the fallout comes, no. I get up into the crease, as opposed to having my brush flat like this to pack on color, turn it to the side this way and kind of just flick around in that area. It's kind of not super pigmented pigment, so it's really easy to just kind of like flick up there and it'll blend out super easily. Okay, I'm so sorry. I had to change my lens because my last one was being absolutely insane. It would not focus. The color was wacky. I couldn't get it to fix. So if this looks like totally completely different, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try the Scorpion. My brother. Oh my gosh. It's just a darker purple. Ooh, just a little bit on the outer corner here. That's much better, isn't it? You recreate this look. Do not do your face first. That was not the play. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and hit the edges there real fast. What I'm gonna do next is take the scales again, and on a pencil brush, I'm just gonna try to line my lower lash line with this. I don't know why I've been just like loving this like shimmer on the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take the Maiden, which is the super light color. Highlight my inner corners with this. No? Why is nothing working on me? So I've been saying in the past couple of videos that I still don't have an eyeliner. Well, I still don't have an eyeliner, and I did order one and it's not here yet. So I'm just going to take a really skinny brush and a black eyeshadow, and I'm going to line my upper lash line. And I just cut up a big onion not that long ago. My eyes are freaking burning still. Now there's all these big bright lights in my face. And it hurts. And now I have a bunch of pigment in my eyes. And I'm just going to quickly put on a coat of mascara. This is when you think, oh wow, I thought this was looking so bad, but now it's not. I am going to be taking these Kiss lashes. I'm going to apologize that these are from the Naked Drama collection. Okay, everybody stay calm. Where's the lash glue? Oh, it's right in front of your face. Got it. These lashes are from the Naked Drama collection from Kiss, which come in this like humongo box. Discarded the box to this lash and traded it for a normal size box. And so I have no idea what they're called. I apologize greatly. My skin is looking so like dry and dull right now. Maybe I don't like that foundation as much as I thought I did. Yeah, I just really need to learn that I can never do my face first because I like my skin too dewy. Even though I set it with powder, I just feel like when you dust off like the sparkle, it doesn't actually come off. Unless maybe you're going to be like baking or whatever. Like how Jaclyn Hill bakes under her eyes while she does her eyeshadow. I can promise you will never see me doing that. And if you do, you better take me to the hospital fast because something is wrong with me if I'm baking my under eyes, okay? Like literally before I even move on with my face at all, I'm just gonna... Please ignore the fact that my closet door is open. My cat is literally passed out across the floor, so I can't close it. You know where I could really step up my makeup game is in my blushes, because I hate blush. I don't hate blush, but I just don't care about blush. And I was trying to look for something that was like kind of like this pinky with this like purpley lilac-y undertone. The closest I'm getting to that at this time is this blush by Studio Makeup in the shade Wildflower. But to be honest, obviously anything that you have is fine. This is just what I have because when it comes to blush, I have nothing. And kind of same with highlighter though, because I have a lot of highlighters, but I always just end up using Becca Moonstone. Like, I can't help it. I really wanted to get that Benefit cheerleader thing for that shade Cookie. You guys saw Jaclyn Hill talking about it. It looks amazing, but they have the huge palette, which is $60. They have the smaller one that's $30, but it's sold out. So I usually just put a clear brow gel in my eyebrows because they are microbladed, but I really need to do them. The tint just helps so much to bring them out a little bit more. So I'm just adding the smallest amount of pencil just to help, since they have makeup all over them. I know this is not helpful because my eyebrows are microbladed, but if you guys want a full in-depth tutorial on how to do brows, and I did this before I had microblading, I always have that linked in my description box, along with my microblading story and how to put on lashes. I try to put on like the essential helpful videos in the description box so you guys always have access to them. And some clear brow gel. I am going to try this lipstick from Bite Beauty. This is the Amuse Bouge lipstick in Spritzer, which is this like bright light purple. It's even brighter than it looks on camera. I'm just gonna take it and kind of pat it on. I'm gonna take a lip brush and just do a little bit because I just don't want that full bright on. Now that you're closer and can actually see, I am just doing this really lightly, so I still get that purpley color, but it's just a little bit more sheer. I don't want it to be as bright as this actually is. It's not my soft, springy vibes that I'm going for. I'm going to kind of make it more pigmented around the lip line. I'm going to take a little bit of this Buxom lip gloss in Dolly, just because it's a little matte and dry. I'm just going to pop this in the center. Alright, so that concludes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so sorry if you were able to notice any of the technical difficulties that I had, because I had quite a few. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with my camera and my lenses and stuff, but I'll figure it out before the next video, don't you worry. And yeah, that's all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.